you take it off a seatbelt airplane.
Right. Yes.
An airplane, this is how you take off a seatbelt.
That's how Mahdie teach people how to take it off and put it on.
Look.
Yes.
If you want to take off a seatbelt from an airplane, you have to do
This.
this.
Okay.
Okay, but don't do this. And
Yeah.
do it gently. Nah, let's just. I know how to do it actually. There. Hold it. There. I'll show you how to do it. First, you jump it, and then you jump.
Yeah.
See that? That's how you do it.
That's easy. It's not hard.
Super
And you
duper.
pull it
Yeah.
this way.
To make
It
it,
have to be good this way, like that. You
to
know?
make it tight.
Make it tight, yeah. Somebody have to pull it for you.
You told me to pull it. Pull.
That's enough, yeah.
That's
I
enough.
don't
That's
want to
enough.
tidy you up. Yeah, too much.
Your birthday cake. Look at that. That's a dragon. That's a dragon. I see a dragon. It's like a pig and I have an elephant. Look, you want to see? Like a red dragon. There. The one with the long nose. Right around there. You don't see it. Wait, what's that birdie doing? Oh.
Okay?
Yes. Yes, we are. I see a bridge. Where is the airport anyway? There's no. We're gonna be doomed. We're going to be doomed.